morning everyone. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss question number 6 of your exercise 13.2. So let's start the question. So here you can see the question is XYZ, a triangle, has angle YXO. When we are talking about YXO with respect to the figure, so YXO, that means we are talking about this angle is equal to angle ZXO. So ZXO, that means we are talking about this angle. Now the next information which is given in the question is XY equals XZ. So XY, that means this side, and XZ, that means this side. They both are equal to each other. So we are required to prove here that triangle YOX and triangle ZOX are congruent to each other. So let us see what is triangle and which triangle is YOX. So YOX. So here we can see this is the triangle YOX and ZOX is the another triangle ZOX. So here by the different color you can differentiate both the triangles. And as I have already discussed in the previous classes that before we start proving the congruency of two triangles, we have to write the given information in this structure. So here you can see I've already written the given part, which is the equal angles and the equal sides. Then we have to write what we need to prove as per the question. So here we have to prove these two triangles as congruent. So now let's start with the question. In question, we are going to prove that triangle YXO, which is written, I think, in a wrong manner. It should be YOX and it should be ZOX, right? ZOX, because here the question is this. So you have to be very careful in writing the name of the triangle, because the triangle name has to be according to the given question. Now, as you all know that we have 4 types of congruency: triple S, SAS, ASA and RHS, right? So I always suggested you to start with the triple S only. So but in this question what we can see that we have one angles and one sides, right? One side and one angle. So this cannot be taken over here, because for the triple S we required all 3 sides of the triangle. So now let's move to the next one. Let us see whether the next one would be possible here. We have one side, we have one angle, and we have to search for the third side, right? So first of all write it what we have. So we have angle YXO equals angle ZXO, which we can see in the figure. Of this triangle, this angle, and of this triangle we have this angle. They both are equal to each other, right? And you can see they are corresponding as well. So they are equal, so we will write given. The next portion which is given in the question, XY equal XZ. So XY belongs to this triangle and XZ belongs to second triangle. So we can take this. It is also given part of the question. Now we need one more thing. So let's try for S. If we will see this triangle and this triangle, if you will observe both the triangles carefully, so here you can see that we are left with 2 sides of each triangle, and here you can see that this is the side which is being shared by both the triangle. Here you can see YOX also using OX side as one of its side, and ZOX also using OX side as one of its sides. So here we can write OX and OX is a common side, right? It's a common side. Now you have to see whether it is making a perfect combination of SAS or not. SAS or not, right? It means the angle has to be between both the sides. So here we can see this is the angle. We have taken one this side and we have taken second this side, and between these two sides one angle is there, or we can say the given angle is formed by using these two sides of a triangle. So it's a perfect combination of this is an angle A, S and S, right? That means side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So here we can write, therefore triangle YOX is congruent to triangle ZOX by SAS congruency criteria, right? Congruency criteria. So this is the way we can see, we can observe the figure and we can see which type of congruency will suit that particular question. I hope children you understood this. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.